Here's another exam question we're going to take a look at. Let's read it through and see what it has to say. A multi-core 2.5mm 70°C thermoplastic cable is installed in a conduit supplying a 20 amp load. Where the circuit length is 15 metres and the conductors have a rated voltage drop of 18 millivolts per amp per metre, the total voltage drop will be. Now, I suspect that some people looking at this in an exam under the pressure of the moment might think, whoa, that's a lever.
Yeah, probably.
Too much involved there, I'm going to whip through this one. But actually, there are some clues in here that this is not as tough as it might seem. Clearly, we're looking for voltage drop. That can cause some concerns because that sometimes involves calculation. But actually, if we look at the structure of the question, the first part, this first sentence here, we don't need most of this stuff. We only need that bit because we are given here 18 millivolts per amp per meter. We have the current, we have the length, we have the volt drop in the cable. So this is surely a very simple calculation.
It is, Dave.
With just everything we got there.
Yeah, all we need to do is multiply the three things together. So, voltage dropped is equal to millivolts per ampere per metre, multiplied by IB, which is the load, 20 amps, multiplied by the length. Now, as we're given the millivolts per ampere per metre in millivolts, we're going to get a big number here, so we divide the whole lot by 1,000.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, and that brings us down. So this is a simple case of grab your calculator, take the values, which are 18, multiplied by
20 amps,
20 amps, times the length,
15 metres.
15, all divided by 1,000, and we get a value of 5.4 volts.
Which is answer B.
Answer B.
So what appeared to be a pretty complex question involving lots of delving around in the regs, in fact, doesn't need any of that. It just needs you and a calculator and one's in the bag. We hope you found that useful. If there's a subject you'd like us to talk through or a question you'd like us to examine, then why not send it to us? Dave Austin at learninglounge.com will get to me, or you can put the comment in the box below.
And don't forget, you can find more questions on our website, learninglounge.com/18. And you can get even more questions if you subscribe to one of our courses.